Welcome to University College of Aviation Malaysia. Let's go. This is how our college looks like. There are lots of students joining our college every year. A lot of students also graduate every year with 90% employed. The courses that we have in the college are Diploma in Flight Operation Management, you can also experience our Airbus A320 flight simulator. We also have IATA Airport Operations Foundation Diploma Online Learning Program, Diploma in Aviation Management, Diploma in Aviation Safety Management, Diploma in Aviation Finance Management, Diploma in Aviation Tourism Management, Diploma in Human Resource Management, Diploma in Office Management, Drone Piloting, Skills Certificate Diploma Hospitality, Bachelor Airline and Airport Management, Diploma in Cabin Crew and Airline Services, Skills Certificate Diploma in Flight. This is the CAE program that our cabin crew student will get a chance to experience it. We also have Fast Track Twining Aviation FTTA, Fast Track Twining Operation FTTO. Join us now.